Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in the previous topic, we learnt the animals and their sound. And in today's topic, we are going to get some more information about the animals. Children, this is page number 24, topic number 2, Jungle Safari. Number 1, look at the picture for a minute. Close the book and tell the names of animals. Children, look at the picture. Which animals do you see in the picture? Deer, elephant, monkey, bear, ant, housefly, honeybee, butterfly, camel, tortoise, snake, peacock, squirrel, rabbit, tiger, lion. Number 2. Draw pictures of these animals in your word file. Write their names. Children, you can draw pictures or you can collect the pictures of animals and stick them in your word file and also write their names of the animals below the picture. Now children, look at number 3. Look at the pictures and answer. A. Spot the animals whose name ends with the sound L. Look at this children. Spot the animals whose name ends with the sound L. Look at the picture. You can see camel. Camel end with the letter L. Then squirrel. L sound, end with the L sound. Then any other animal's name end with the L sound? No. So camel and squirrel, these two names end with the sound L. This is a picture of a camel. This is a squirrel and snail. The name snail also ends with the L sound. Spot the animals whose name end with the sound T. Look here children. Now we have to spot the animals whose name ends with the sound T. Now which animal's name end with the letter T? Yes, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Then A-N-T, ant. And rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. So elephant, ant and rabbit are the animals whose name end with the sound T. Okay children, now look at the pictures of the animals. This is an elephant, ant, rabbit. Here you can see the picture of a cat. Now cat also end with the sound T, C-A-T, cat. Here you can see the picture of a rat. The name of the rat also end with the sound T. Spot the animals whose name end with the sound K. Now which animals name end with the sound K? Yes, here you can see snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake, and peacock, Peacock, peacock. So, snake and peacock are the animals whose name end with the sound K. You can see the picture of a snake, and this is a peacock. Okay, children? Now look at this question. B. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter B. Look here. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter B. Now which are the animals whose name begin with the letter B? You can look at the pictures and find out the animals. You can see the bear, Bear, bear. Then Bee, and butterfly, Butterfly, butterfly. So, bear, bee and butterfly are the animals whose name begin with the letter B. Okay, children? Look at the pictures. Bear, bee and butterfly. Now spot the animals whose name begin with the letter T. Look at this question, children. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter T. Now which are the animals whose name begin with the letter T? Yes, you can see here tortoise, 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 and tiger, Tiger, tiger. So tortoise and the tiger are the animals whose name begin with the letter T. Okay, children? Look at the pictures. Tortoise and tiger. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter S. Look at this question, children. The letter S. We have to spot the animals whose name begin with the letter S. Now, which animal's name start with the letter S? Begin with the letter. Begin means start. Okay. We have to spot the animal's name which begin with the letter S. Now, animals whose name begin with the letter S: snake, 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 and squirrel. Where is squirrel? Here. Okay, Squirrel, squirrel. So snake and squirrel are the animals' name whose names start with the letter S. Okay. Look at the picture of a snake and squirrel. Now look at the question C. C question. Okay. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter E. Look at this question, children. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter E. B. Then tortoise. What is the spelling of tortoise? Tortoise. So end with the letter E. And snake. 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 So B, tortoise and snake are the names of animals which end with the letter E. Look at the picture, children. B, tortoise and snake. Okay. Now, spot the names of animals which end with the letter T. Look at this question. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter T. So which are the animals' name which end with the letter T? Yes, elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Then ANT, ant, and RABBIT, rabbit. Elephant, ant, and rabbit are the names of animals which end with the letter T. Look at the picture of an elephant, an ant, and a rabbit. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter Y. Okay. Now we have to spot the names of animals which end with the letter Y. Which animal's name end with the letter Y? You can see the monkey, MONKEY, monkey. Y comes at the end. Okay. So MONKEY, monkey. Then FLY, fly. FLY, fly. Butterfly, BUTTERFLY. So monkey, fly, and butterfly end with the letter Y. Look at the picture of a monkey, housefly, and the butterfly. And donkey, DONKEY, donkey. Let us revise again, children. Spot the animals whose name end with the letter L, the sound L. Camel, squirrel, and snail. Number 2. Spot the animals whose name end with the sound T. Elephant, ant, and the rabbit. Spot the animals whose name end with the sound K. Snake and peacock. B. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter B. Bear, bee, and butterfly. Number 2. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter T. Tortoise and tiger. Number 3. Spot the animals whose name begin with the letter S. Snake and squirrel. C. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter E. Bee, tortoise, snake. Number 2. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter T. Elephant, ant, and rabbit. Number 3. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter Y. Monkey, fly, butterfly, and donkey. Number 4. Spot the given letter in the words and join all the letters you spot. One example is given here, children. Lion, elephant, fly, and camel. Now you can see L letter is joined. Let's start with the second example, A. Now we have to join the letters A. You can see A word, A letter in ant word. ANT, ant. Then we are going to join this A letter from rabbit. Then you can see camel, A from camel, and then A from snake. So this way we have joined the letters. Okay. We have to spot the letter and join all the letters we spot in the spellings. So first one is done, children. Now next is B. First is bear, so B from bear word, then B letter from B word, B letter from butterfly word, and B letter from rabbit, RABBIT. 2 times you have to take B from rabbit. Okay. Then next letter is E. You have to spot the letter E from elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Then tiger, E. Peacock, E. And squirrel, E. Okay, children. Next letter is I. Excuse me. Spot the letter I from giraffe is here, I. Then lion, I from lion. Then from tiger you can spot the letter I in tiger, TIGER, and TORTOISE. You can spot the letter I here. Okay. Next you can see O. Now we have to spot the letter O. TORTOISE, tortoise. Then PEACOCK, peacock. LION, lion. And MONKEY, monkey. So these are the letters we spotted in the spellings. Now next question, number 5. Match the double letters with the given words. Now you can see double R, double F, double E and double T. These double letters are given, and below these double letters spellings are given. GIRAFFE, giraffe. SQUIRREL, squirrel. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. And DEER, deer. Now we have to match the double letters with the given words. Where you can see double R, this double letter double R you can see in the squirrel spelling. Here you can see. So we have to match double R with squirrel. You can find double F, double letters in giraffe. GIRAFFE. So we have to match double F with giraffe. Then you can see double E in deer. So we are going to match double E with DEER, deer. And you can spot the double letters double T in butterfly spelling, BUUTT, here ERFLY, butterfly. So we are going to match butterfly with double T. Now question number 6. Find the small words hidden in the big words. Now in the spelling peacock, which small words you can find? PEAP, PEAP, first word, and COCK, cock. Okay, so 2 small words are hidden in the spelling peacock, PEAP and COCK, cock. In elephant you can find ANT, ant. Ant is the small word hidden in the elephant word. Then butterfly. Which are the small words hidden in the butterfly word? B-U-T but, then B-U-T-T-E-R butter, and F-L-Y fly. Okay. Then rabbit. In rabbit spelling, which are the small words? Yes, you can find IT it and BIT bit. Then in the last one, tortoise, Tortoise. Which are the small words you can find? Which are the small words hidden in this spelling? Here you can see TO2, then you can see OR or, and IS is. Okay, children. Find the small words hidden in the big words. So in the word peacock, peacock is a big word, and in the word peacock you can find two small hidden words. First is PEA and COCK, peacock. So P and cock are the two words hidden in the peacock word. Number 2, ELEPHANT, elephant. Now elephant is the big word, and which is the small word hidden in elephant? ANT, ant. Number 3, butterfly. Now in the butterfly word you can find three small words: BUT but, then BUTTER butter, and FLY fly. Number 4, RABBIT rabbit. In the word rabbit you can find two small words hidden in the spelling: IT it and BIT bit. Number 5 is TORTOISE. In this big word you can find small words hidden in this are OR or, TO2 and IS is. Okay, children. I hope you all have enjoyed this today's topic. We shall meet very soon in the next video. Bye. Take care. Thank you.